So amid that neat storm, the Mycroft charge also was levelled, and now we've accessed the letter written by Mallikarjun Kharge to the Rajya Sabha chairman seeking suspension of all businesses and also to take up the NEET debate. He's also spoken over his face-off with the chairman. Listen in to what happened.
इस बहस करने के लिए नीट एग्जामिनेशन के जो इतने बड़े घोटाले हो गए, पेपर लीक हो गया, बच्चे परेशान हैं, लाखों बच्चे परेशान हैं, तो इन लोगों का जो समस्या है उसके तरफ ध्यान खींचने के लिए हमने स्पेसिफिक डिस्कशन मांगा। हमने किसी यानी अपने जो राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण पे डिस्टर्ब करना नहीं चाहते थे। हम सिर्फ उनके जो स्टूडेंट्स के मुद्दे हैं उसको उठाकर उनके सामने रखना चाहते थे, वो स्पेसिफिक थे।
So you heard what Mallikarjun Kharge said, and Ankit is joining us from the Times Now newsroom. Ankit, take us through the details of Mallikarjun Kharge's letter.
So this is the letter, Sagarika, that he had written. It's a notice under Rule 267 for suspension of business. Today, he writes to the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, Vice President Dhankar, I hereby give notice under Rule 267 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Council of States, that is Rajya Sabha, of my intention to move the following motion for the suspension of business listed for today, 28th of June, that this House do suspend all listed businesses for the day to discuss the unprecedented instances of paper leaks, fraud and corruption in conduct of national level exams, including NEET and UGC NET, followed by cancellation of various exams and the total failure of the NTA in conducting exams in a fair and transparent manner. Then he goes on, Sagarika, over 2 pages to detail about 11 points as to why there are irregularities repeating themselves year after year, and that is why they have sought this discussion. What becomes evident is that the Congress LOP had indeed moved for suspension of all business on a day when the House was going to take up the motion of thanks debate, which, like Dharmendra Pradhan said, has never happened before.
All right. Now, thank you, Ankit, for getting us the details of that letter. Interestingly, with the opposition remaining adamant on that demand, we also have Shivani joining us. Shivani, the opposition strategy at this point of time is to escalate the pressure on the government when it comes to the exam crisis. The government, on its part, goes on to say that it has taken the steps to ensure that students do not suffer from having a CBI from ordering a CBI investigation to even removing the NTA DG, and to also ensure that even exams where there is a question or a suspicion of a compromise, even they get cancelled. So what's the latest when it comes to the opposition strategy?
Sagarika, Mallikarjun Kharge, who happens to be the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, he's already written a letter to the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, and he has requested to suspend all the businesses of the House. We know that in the lower and the upper house, the discussion had to happen on the motion of thanks that the president had addressed the House, the joint sitting yesterday. So this discussion was to happen, 21-hour long discussion had to take place, but there was a ruckus not only in Lok Sabha but also in Rajya Sabha, and Mallikarjun Kharge's letter, which we were showing to our viewers, that is dated 27th of June, demands suspension of all businesses under Rule 267, demanding discussion on NEET and NET, where there are irregularities, while we also have heard Dharmendra Pradhan, the education minister, who says that government is ready for discussion, but only after the discussion happens on the vote of thanks of the president, because that has been the tradition, that when a business has been set and scheduled and the discussion has to take place on the president's address, no other motion can be brought in, and that is the reason that the government is giving. And they also say that a lot of action is already taking place. CBI is investigating the matter, and the culprits are being looked after. They are being caught by the CBI and the police, and the investigation is going on. So no injustice will be done to the NEET students, lakhs of NEET students. But the Congress party, in both the houses, wants to escalate the issue. Rahul Gandhi also spoke about it in Lok Sabha, while Mallikarjun Kharge has demanded discussion in the Rajya Sabha on the issue.
Okay.